Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make carrot and Suji ka halwa. I have 1 kg redished carrots and I'm going to add 3 kg full fat milk. And I'm going to add 500 grams of double cream. And half teaspoon green cardamom powder. And I'm going to mix that well. I'm going to cook this until all the milk is evaporated. Flame medium to high. The milk is evaporating. I'm going to stir this every 5 minutes so it doesn't stick to the pan. The milk has evaporated and I haven't added any oil in this, only double cream and milk. And we're going to cook this until the oil separates. At this stage, continue stirring it so it doesn't stick to the pan. Add half cup of oil. Let that heat and then add 1 cup of Suji. Cook on low flame until there's this nice smell. I cooked for 15 minutes on really low flame. It has a beautiful smell and color. I'm now going to put this in a bowl. I added 7 tablespoons of sugar. I'm now going to cook for another 5 minutes. These are the end results. It looks absolutely amazing and delicious. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.